Welcome to Spyder Auto's LED taillight installation guide for the Porsche 997. Before we get started, you'll need a T25 Torx driver. Check out how Spyder taillights update the look of your 997. We'll start by opening the bonnet. Remove the two T25 Torx screws securing the taillight. After removing the screws, you can now unseat the taillight. Disconnect the taillight wiring harness. Then set the taillight aside. We have to transfer a bulb from the old light to the new one. Take a look at the back side of your OEM taillight. Remove the fog lamp bulb socket from the OEM taillight. Remove the fog lamp bulb from its socket. Never touch bulbs with bare hands. Now we'll take a look at the back side of our Spyder taillight. Remove the blue and black wire fog lamp socket. Install the fog lamp bulb into the socket. Reinstall the fog lamp securely into the housing to prevent any potential condensation issues. Now we can install the taillight. Reconnect the taillight wiring harness. Then go ahead and seat the taillight. Next, reinstall the two T25 Torx screws. Then just close the bonnet and you're done. Congratulations, you've updated your Porsche 997 with a set of modern LED taillights from Spyder Auto.